In this GPT ebook pack review, I'm going to be showing you how you can get your hands on 10,000 plus unique ebooks that you can use to monetize in any way you want. How do I know they're 100% unique? Because they were created by AI. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to be showing all the OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, including a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you are new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out GPT ebook pack, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out on the YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of bonuses, including a bunch of resell rights here to past software. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says brand new PLR pack turns ChatGPT into your own collection of 10,000 plus unique ebooks in multiple niches, your very own content business without typing any words yourself. 10,000 plus ebooks with PLR rights included, hundreds of niches from weight loss to real estate to finance, 100% original written content with ChatGPT. Generate amazing ebooks in minutes without typing words. Use ChatGPT and True AI to create ebooks that read better than paid writers from Fiverr. This is the exact same tech that's behind OpenAI and ChatGPT. Publish your ebooks on Kindle. Do essentially whatever you want with them. All these things all built in. So step 1, open up the GPT ebook pack and select your niche. Step 2, add your name, your client's name, or whatever, and hit download. And then you can use the books however you want in your business, that you have full rights to the different content. Now, they've got some traffic screenshots here. I don't think this has anything really to do with this, or these commissions really don't have anything to do with this kind of content here. However, if you are looking for content that's unique, a lot of times with PLR, people will put it out there and it's already been used by a ton of people already. This is all unique stuff. This is all stuff that's just been put out there that you can start using. And of course, if you pick this up early, you'll have a first mover advantage with that. So I'm going to scroll down here. And if you purchase this, you get access to all the different unique content here for a very low one-time price. However, move your mouse away and you can get a discount on it. Again, I make less as an affiliate by showing that to you, so make sure you hit that like button. I appreciate it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and play you a quick video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'm going to come back and show you the OTOs and the discounts.
Hey there. We all know that content is the lifeblood of any online business. Having your own info products, ebooks, PDFs, or even just regular articles on the web is the fastest way to internet riches. Most importantly, people who are selling content, info products, or even article services to other people are making an absolute killing right now. Fact is, content marketing is already a $500 billion industry. And marketers who are able to sell their own content packaged as ebooks, info products, or articles stand to make tens of thousands of dollars every month. Just take a look at some of our own results. The problem? Ebooks and PDF info products are expensive to create if you outsource and pay a team of writers. Writing content yourself takes forever, and nobody ever got rich doing all the work themselves. And don't get me started on so-called content creators that only give you rehashed PLR or badly rewritten or spun articles. That's why beginner and expert marketers alike have had a hard time cracking the secret content code. Today, we're changing all that from the ground up. What if you had a one-click solution that enables you to instantly generate 100% unique ebooks in literally any niche on earth? Ebooks that you have PLR rights to, but that are original and have never been used before. And what if you could use these ebooks as your own to sell to others? Launch on Warrior Plus or JVZoo packaged as info products. Publish on Kindle, become an author. To build your list for free on your site. Split them into chunks and publish as articles on your blog. What happens if you get an unlimited stream of unique content? Put simply, you'd be a king. There's a brand new ebook pack going live today that lets anyone, yes, even complete newbies, get PLR and reseller rights access to thousands of ebooks that are 100% unique and written using ChatGPT. How are we pulling this off? It's not PLR. It's not rehashed, rewritten content. It's not by using an article spinner. GPT ebook pack is a brand new PLR ebook pack that just went live. which lets you create custom and 100% unique content and put your name on thousands of ebooks in any niche. From weight loss to nutrition to real estate that you can sell for huge profits on sites like Fiverr, Freelancer, Upwork, and many more, all at the push of a button. Yes, literally, click a button, get 100% unique content that you can sell or use on your own sites. How's it different from other PLR ebook packs? This one is 100% original content never seen before, generated by ChatGPT and packaged as ebooks by us. 10,000 plus original ebooks in any niche you can think of are waiting for you to put your name on them and publish as your own. It creates exactly the sort of content that online and offline businesses are ready to pay hand over fist to get. So you can finally say goodbye to paying for content, wasting your time, wasting your money trying to figure out traffic by yourself. So take action now. Click the buy button below and claim your piece of the $500+ billion content marketing pie. Welcome to the future of internet marketing. Welcome to GPT ebook pack.
Okay, so we're back. So this is the first upgrade that you're going to see. You can lock in text-to-speech, funnel builder, and unlimited viral traffic with GPT ebook pack Pro. So this is going to give you just an extra way of being able to take this content and to make it into stuff of more value. However, what I want to do is make sure that you click on this no thanks button. And what that's going to do, it's going to take you over to the same product, but with a discounted price on it. I make less as an affiliate by showing this to you, so please hit that like button. I appreciate it. The next one that you're going to see here is, it says the enterprise version. So this is going to just give you some more stuff with this. Let's see what they say here. You can let's see here, your own GPT ebook pack store. So you can put it on your store and actually sell your content on there. Sell more content, premium video player, cloud-based storage, auto backups, all these different things that you can use with this. This is the enterprise. Again, hit that no thanks button to get a discount. The next one here is they've got some kind of an income stream here with this. Again, you want to move your mouse away on this one. Actually, hit the no thanks button to get a discount on this one. The next one is they're going to give you all their best-selling present and future products. Click the no thanks button and get a discount on this one as well. And the last one, you can get resale rights to this and keep 100% of the profits selling throughout the funnel. Hit the no thanks button, get a discount. All these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about GPT ebook pack and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about this, I mean, you could essentially go to ChatGPT, and if you know how to do the prompts, if you know exactly how to use ChatGPT and you're an expert at this, you could essentially get it to write content for you. So if you already really know how to use it well and you've been using it and you don't need any help from others, then this might not be right for you. What do I like about this? Not everyone has time to create content. Not everyone has the knowledge of how to put in the right things into ChatGPT to get it to spit out the right kind of content that you want. If you just want a bunch of content that's done for you that hasn't been used before, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my ChatGPT ebook pack review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out on the YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks.